In this video I am going to show you how you can get rid of decal silvering, and will also demonstrate that having a gloss varnish as a base is the right way to do things. Prove me wrong if you can. Decals like this one are most likely to provide me with some silvering issues, and here in this area my gloss coat is not exactly perfect, so let's see if we can pull this off. There is a lot of carrier film that has the potential to create an issue. Mind you, different decals behave differently, so proceed with caution. Here I have cartograph decals, which are the best in my opinion. To avoid the silvering, we need to do everything we can to remove all the air trapped underneath the decal. This can be done with a flat coat underneath even, but with gloss coat it is that much easier. Now the decal is dry and it's already exhibiting some silvering issues. One way to check for sure is to apply some water over the decal carefully, and then the silvering becomes very obvious. And now we will have to tackle this. First off, I will apply some mild softening solution, which I will then work into the decal. Also, if you have a hair dryer or something that can heat up the decal, it will be helpful, but you should be careful, of course, not to damage anything else with the heat. With the mild softening solution on, I will start pressing the decal so I can hopefully extract the air bubbles that live underneath it. As I said earlier, this is now due to the flatness of the clear coat that I applied earlier, which means that it is not very glossy in this area. After several applications of the mild softening solution and also a little bit of heating, I was able to reduce the amount of silvering, not totally eliminate it. And now I'm going to apply the Hobbyzone, which is the strong softening solution, and hopefully this will deal with the rest. Now apply it liberally all over the decal and we'll let it do its job, not touching it at all. Here we have another decal that has a lot of exposed carrier film, but in this case the surface which is going to accept the decal is more glossy than the previous one, so let's see what difference that will make. Okay, the decal is in place. Now I'll let it settle and we'll see what's going to happen next. In the meantime, here is the first decal and it looks like the treatment worked well, but let's check with the water. It does not want to stay even. There is a lot of surface tension, but I cannot see anything that closely resembles even silvering. Maybe just a little bit here on the edges, but I will try to push it in with another application of the strong solution in this very area. And here is the midnight cocktail decal. I think we need no further proof that gloss coat underneath the decal is something that helps. I hope that this puts the argument in bed. Can it be done without gloss coat? Yes. Is it better to have a gloss coat on? Absolutely. The shinier and smoother the surface, the better. I hope that this video has been helpful, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy modeling, fellas.